Hello, my name is Jackie and I am going to talk you through how I look after my postpartum hair or my hair after pregnancy. So, long story short, in 2019, I was pregnant, I had a baby, I had a boy, and while I was pregnant, my hair grew. It was so long, so beautiful, so strong, and very thick. I'd never had my hair that long before, as you can see in the picture, right? And then when my baby was born, I relaxed the hair because it was so much. It was a big afro. I had to relax it. I relaxed my hair. It became longer, thicker, beautiful, right? So I loved my hair. I always have braids, I always have weaves and stuff like that because I find it so much work to look after my natural hair. But that time I kept my hair as it was because it was just so nice. After that, I braided the hair, proper tight braids. I removed the braids and then I noticed my hair started to thin. Okay, it was thinning every time when I washed it, clumps of hair coming out, falling out. I didn't know then that you lose the postpartum hair eventually. I did not like that. I did not like that at all. I loved that hair, but then eventually it kept on thinning and thinning until I gradually lost it all. But the other thing I was doing was I was straightening my hair with, a straightener, heat, or combing it and then using a heat blow dryer. So all this, I didn't realize that contributed to more of the hair loss. So I lost the hair. But then after some time, when I was losing all that hair, I started to research why did I lose that hair. I didn't understand it. That's when I learned that it was all postpartum hair, pregnancy, hormones, hair, and then you actually do lose it in the end. Actually, not long ago, I found out I was pregnant again, and this time I remembered the hair and I did not want to lose my hair again. Nope. So I researched some more to find out how I can actually maintain the hair, because now my baby is born, I've got the thick, beautiful hair again. I know I've braided it now, but what I did learn is that I should not not relax the hair again. Nope. Because if you relax it, it's a chemical, it weakens the hair. So it makes it more likely to fall out. The second thing was the prenatal vitamins, because when you're pregnant, you take all these vitamins, you're looking after your body more, you're eating the right foods. You have to continue doing that. Take biotin, multivitamins, vitamin D, vitamin Bs. Make sure you take them religiously every single day. If you take these vitamins, you're bound to keep your hair strong, because the hair falls out because the hormones are gone. The moment the baby is born, the hormones are out. So it's a lot of stress to the hair, a shock to the hair. That's why it falls out. So remember your vitamins. Third, massage your head. I learned the art of massaging the scalp. The more you massage it, the more blood you bring to the scalp, and then it keeps your hair strong, keeps your hair healthy, and you get a lot of new growth. And the fourth thing is oils. I discovered oils. Yay, can you see that? Rosemary oil, easy to use. Okay, I just take that applicator, all over the head, all over the hair. Keeps it moist, keeps it nice, and it looks after the scalp as well. So very good for your hair. So I use that at least 3 times a week. So I discovered my oils. That's not the only oil I use though. I also use castor oil. Beautiful. I only did this because I was going somewhere, just needed to tidy the hair up a bit, and I braid my own hair. Because the other thing is, when you braid it, when you go to somebody who's braiding your hair, if they're not so gentle on your hair and the styles are very tight, you tend to lose the hair more. So I do my own hair because I'm more gentle with my hair. I don't tighten the knots very much. This is even knotless. These are like crochet. I will show you when I remove this how my hair is actually getting on. It doesn't mean that you won't lose any hair. You will lose some hair, postpartum hair, but not as much as you would lose it if you were not following these few tips. So please follow me for more.